Welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll show you our room tour and a bit of the resort that we stayed at in the Maldives. We stayed at Pullman Maldives. Basically, it's an entire island for the resort itself. The property grounds were really well kept, just really beautiful, a lot of greenery. Honestly, no complaints at all in terms of the resort or the room. The service was, top-notch service. Everyone was super nice and just always looking to accommodate you. While we stayed there, we did a couple things. So we did the floating breakfast, which you'll see in the upcoming videos. We did a jet ski tour, we did a spa treatment, and we also had a private romantic dinner. And as you're seeing, the beach, the water, like everything is just so beautiful. A lot of the stuff that you see online about the Maldives, like it looks just like that in person. It is absolutely amazing. And once you arrive, they kind of take you around a tour of the resort, and somebody actually goes into the villa with you to kind of show you around and your amenities and like what you have. So I thought that was really nice. Personally, for us, we've never had that type of experience. Also, given this is a 5-star resort, very high-end luxury, so to be expected. So now let's go ahead, start the room tour. So our villa was 508 over the water villa. We got the sunrise view, which honestly I kind of regretted getting the sunrise instead of the sunset. I got the sunrise because of everything I read online saying that it's the calmer side, but I don't know if it's just the time we went or maybe they were referring to other islands. But in our case, while we were there, the sunset side was actually the best one. The pool is like infinity style. Obviously overlooking the water. The view is just completely amazing. We would literally just sit there and admire like where we were at constantly, because it was just a pinch me, I can't believe I'm here moment all the time. The villa does come with some stairs to go down to the water. This part had a lot of reefs and stuff like that, so what we did was pretty much snorkel. Some of the other areas were more sandy, so it really just depends where your villa's at. But either way, we got to enjoy it, so didn't mind it. And then going inside, the room was very, very spacious. And the way that everything just opens up, the windows, the doors, and the nice thing about the sunrise part was that we constantly always had a lot of wind, so it was really nice. Like, I never felt terribly hot, so that was definitely a plus. We did mention it was our honeymoon, so they did decorate the bed as you saw there, so that was really nice for them to do on their end. And this is such a cool feature of the room. This little like view on the bottom on the floor where you could see the water was so cool at night. You could literally see fish swimming, well, day and night. So that was really cool. We saw sharks go through there, fish, obviously, just a little bit of everything. And this resort is all-inclusive. So everything that's in the room, the drinks, the snacks, the alcohol, everything is included. And they do a really good job at stacking you up every single day. Because we did use some of this alcohol, and sometimes if they saw we were grabbed like one specific bottle, they would put actually like 2 or 3. And you can also ask for this, obviously. You have a nice little like vanity area outside of the bathroom. This is usually where I always got ready and dressed. And then the closet is huge. The closet looks like they want you to stay there forever, which obviously I would love to. But yeah, very spacious closet space. And this is all indoors. So this is the whole area where it's under AC. It's considered your indoor area. And then these doors are what makes your outdoor bathroom, essentially. So at night, we'd always make sure to close it just so that way our room can get like nice and cool with the AC. But this outdoor bathroom, it was like chef's kiss. It was amazing. We absolutely loved it. During the day, we did keep all these doors open because, again, we had such a nice breeze coming through that it was just so nice to have everything just constantly open. But as you see here, again, really spacious. This outdoor shower here, I absolutely loved it. We literally would use that shower more than the actual other shower that's here. I mean, this is technically also an outdoor shower because, again, this area is just completely open. There is no AC here. But the other one, you know, is like actual outdoors. So really cool. The tub in the middle. I mean, everything is just so like picture perfect, and honestly, just like the best honeymoon spot. Our stay was just amazing. Everything about it. So we keep saying like we can't wait to go back and enjoy more of the Maldives. And look at this. This is actually a turtle outside of our villa. It's just some of the amazing things that you get to see here in the Maldives. If you guys have any questions, leave it down in the comments below. And don't forget to view our previous video showing you how we get to the island. And as always, thank you for watching.